machine that looks too big to move but too luxurious to ignore. This is the kind of motorhome that makes supercars look basic and luxury hotels look outdated. What you're about to see is engineering on another level. Welcome to Zenthx. And today we are diving deep into the 26 Kenworth T2000 motorhome, a massive rolling palace built on one of America's most respected heavy-duty truck platforms. This machine combines industrial-grade strength with presidential-level comfort, creating a motorhome that feels like a moving skyscraper with every mile. From its exterior lines to its mechanical heart and its hotel-class interior, everything here is designed for people who want no compromise between power and luxury. The exterior design immediately shows dominance, long, tall, and wide with aerodynamic contours sculpted to reduce drag despite its massive form. LED matrix headlights carve out a razor-sharp signature on the road, while chrome accent panels glow against the main bodywork. The sidewalls are reinforced composite panels, engineered for thermal stability and noise reduction. Multiple storage bays run along the lower section, each sealed with heavy-duty latches and insulation. The rear features full-height LED, light pillars, and a panoramic window that gives the motorhome a futuristic stance. Everything feels premium, oversized, and engineered to last decades. Under the hood, the powertrain is a beast. The 15-liter diesel engine pushes enormous torque designed to haul heavy loads effortlessly. High-pressure fuel injection improves combustion efficiency, while the turbocharger is tuned for peak low RPM performance, giving you immediate power on climbs. The cooling system uses multi-flow radiators and dual electric fans to maintain temperature even in extreme conditions. This engine is built for endurance, long distances, high altitudes, and uninterrupted highway travel. The gear system uses high torque shift mapping with reinforced steel clutches for smooth, predictable gear changes under maximum load. The brake system includes oversized air disc brakes with electronic pressure, modulation for powerful, fade-free stopping control. The hydraulic system powers stabilizers, slide-outs, and suspension with high-pressure pumps ensuring instant response and smooth movement. The lower drive shaft uses reinforced steel joints and balanced shafts to deliver vibration-free power transfer over long distances. Step inside the driver cabin and the luxury transformation becomes obvious. The cockpit features a full digital instrument cluster, aviation-style controls, and a wide-angle glass windshield offering a panoramic driving view. The captain seats are ventilated, heated, memory-equipped, and engineered for long-distance comfort. Noise insulation creates a near-silent cabin, while smart screens provide navigation, camera feeds, and system diagnostics. Move deeper into the motorhome and the bedroom feels like a personal suite. A king-size memory foam bed sits against soft-touch walls, enhanced with LED ambience lighting. Climate-zoned airflow maintains perfect temperature, and sound-dampening panels ensure peaceful sleep even while the engine runs. Hidden storage and premium cabinetry make the space functional and luxurious. The kitchen is designed like a compact high-end apartment. Quartz countertops, stainless fixtures, induction cooking, a convection oven, and a smart refrigerator combine efficiency with premium style. Touchscreen controls, soft-close drawers, and whisper-quiet ventilation make cooking enjoyable and refined during travel. The bathroom feels surprisingly large and upscale. A rainfall shower, anti-slip marble-style flooring, chrome hardware, controlled water pressure from a hydraulic pump, and soft white lighting create a spa-like atmosphere. The ventilation purifier keeps the air fresh and the moisture controlled. On the road, performance is shockingly stable for such a giant machine. The adaptive suspension absorbs bumps with minimal cabin movement, while the aerodynamic body reduces wind resistance. The engine torque gives strong acceleration even on steep mountain routes. Steering assistance makes maneuvering smoother, and multiple camera systems ensure full visibility at all times. For pricing, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 motorhome sits in the premium tier, starting around $1 million and climbing, depending on interior configurations, technology upgrades, and custom luxury packages. Buyers are paying for unmatched engineering, massive power, and hotel-level living on wheels. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Rolling Lux USA, and stay tuned for the next luxury machine on wheels.